Hello children, in this video we are going to study Value Education chapter 4 Forgive and Forget. Children, here in this chapter we are going to learn a lesson of forgiveness. Forgive, what is the meaning of forgive children? Forgive meaning is stop feeling angry towards any mistake if someone does. Now children, this forgive and forget we will understand with the help of story of Apeksha and her mother. Now children, here Apeksha's mother hurt herself accidentally because Apeksha left her toys lying in the way. Her mother doesn't scold her, but Apeksha knows that it was her fault. Her mother appreciates her sincerity and explains to her why it is important to forgive people for their mistakes. Now, children, here in the picture, you see that Apeksha is in classroom and she is Mrs. Luther, and middle-aged lady having motherly figure, and she wears sari. Now children, what happens in the classroom? Let's see. Apeksha sat by the corner of her bench looking unconcentratedly as her mother, Mrs. Luther, called out her name. Apeksha, it's your turn, sweetheart, she said. Tell us about an incident that taught you forgiveness. Means Mrs. Luther is asking to Apeksha to tell them the incident that taught her forgiveness. The little girl stood up in her place and began to narrate. Narrate meaning is to say. Her mother was blind. This had made the child more compassionate. Now, children, here the meaning of compassionate is feeling sympathy and concern for others, and sensitive than other child of her age. Apeksha's mother loved her daughter dearly and explored the child worlds through sounds and touch. As you know, children, Apeksha's mother is blind. She is not able to see. She tried to know the child's world or Apeksha's world through sounds and touch. Here, the meaning of explore is to know. Little Appu means Apeksha children. Little Appu had learned through practice and play that her visually challenged mother could tell every move she made, whether smart or silly. Children, even Apeksha's mother is blind, but through practice and play, Apeksha came to know that her mother could tell her every move, her every activity, whether it is smart or silly, even though she is visually challenged. Here, the meaning of visually challenged is a term used to describe a person who has low vision or who is blind. Now, children, what happened? Once, Apeksha fell in the park and hurt her foot. She did not want her mother to get worried. So she quietly walked in the door and limped towards her room. Mother called out Apeksha, asking, Appu baby, why are you limping? Are you hurt? Apeksha was surprised how her mother could just hear her footstep and make out that she was hurt. See, children, once what happened, Apeksha fell in the park and she got hurt. She did not want her mother to get worried for this. So, what she did, she quietly walked in the door and limped towards her room. Limped means what, children? To walk with difficulty because of damaged foot. Now, children, even she has not told her mother about that hurt. Her mom recognized that why you limping? Limping, Apeksha, she asked, are you hurt? Apeksha was very surprised to hear this because just by her hearing her footstep, her mother make out that she was hurt. Now, children, if you close your eyes and try to walk from your seat to the door and back, was it easy to find your way to the door and back? No, it was not easy. Did you use any your hands to feel objects around you? Yes, we use our hands to feel objects around us. Children, people who have low or no vision use their other senses such as touch and hearing to find their way around. Children, every day Apeksha and her mother played their own game, which was called Find Out What is Cooking in Appu's Mind. And mother was always able to guess what Appu was thinking. Whenever Chripi Appu had played a prank, Mom would sit Appu on her lap, stroke her cheeks gently, and say, Show me your eyes, dear. Let me see what's filled in them. Let's see if you have been up to any mischief today. Children, here the meaning of Chripi is cheerful. Children, even if cheerful Appu had played a prank or played a strange, Mom would sit Appu on her lap, stroke her cheeks gently, and she used to say, To show me your eyes, dear. Let me see what's filled in them. Let's see if you have been up to any mischief today. She used to, and children, this would make the child blush and giggle. Covering her eyes with both hands, she said, No, not today. Look into them tomorrow, please. Appu would then throw her arms around her mother and give her a tight hug. Sorry, Mom. I knew you will find out that I scribbled on the walls. Now, children, your scribbled meaning is written or drawn carelessly or hurriedly on the walls. Children, we will stop here. We will continue in the next video from page number 23.